Hi everyone, it's Andrew from Hobbies Australia here, and I just wanted to send out this very quick video about a shipment that's literally just arrived in the warehouse, and that's from Gecko Models. And yes, here it is, the LARC, the LARC, Vietnam era amphibious transport used by the Australian Army. And there's currently still a model in service. But yeah, let's have a look at some of these great new lines from Gecko. So Gecko out of China are a new brand to us. We've had a couple of shipments from them now, and there've been some really awesome and very well received kits from these guys. Their World War II British infantry figures were exceptionally well received. Their soft skin vehicles from World War II have been very warmly received as well. And the next big thing we've got coming from them in a future shipment is the World War II Katie ambulance with the limited edition Queen Elizabeth, as she was, Princess Elizabeth resin figure, and also the skid steer, which is the military bobcat used by the British Army. So we'll see those coming in our next shipment. But what we're going to do now is quickly have a look at some of this great new product that's arrived today. So World War II, multiple packs of US jerry cans, really essential for any military modeler, for dioramas, for loads for soft skin vehicles, etc. That box chock-a-block full. We'll get some images of the sprues so you can have a look at it, but really nicely done. These will be a pleasure to build, easy to paint, and then of course weather them up. Next new kit is we've got British Artillery 105mm ammo boxes on pallets. Essential, I guess, for any artillery diorama of the current British forces. Makes it look nice and busy, and yes, again, fairly straightforward, but really nicely done. And we'll get photos of the sprues. You'll see the attention to detail on the moulding. Very nice. Next one is the air portable fuel containers. This is screaming for a diorama with a Trumpeter C-130 CH-47 in the background, doing a lift of these. This is going to be an exceptionally popular kit out in the marketplace once it gets out. We then have a look at their ATMPs, their little six-wheel drive vehicles used by the British military, predominantly in Afghanistan is where we've seen them recently. So we've got the transport vehicle with a pallet of 105mm howitzer ammunition on the back. Crew figures is included. Super nicely done, crisp, clean, everything that you would hope and expect from the people at Gecko. Next thing is the airborne version of the ATMP. This guy is mounted with a GPMG at the front and a 50 caliber on the top. Crew figure is included. When you look at these crew figures, the way in which they've done all the attention to detail on the crew members' kits are just really nicely done for injected plastic. Things like individual kneecap pads, all that sort of stuff, helmets, goggles, throat mics, etc. Very nicely done. We then branch out and we have a look at, again, the 105mm ammunition pallet. So the guys at Gecko are really using those moulds extensively. But what we have is a pallet trailer that would be towed behind the ATMP to get the ammunition to the guns. So again, nice little diorama opportunity. However, the hero, and this is what I've been eagerly waiting for, is the Vietnam era LARC from the guys at Gecko. There has been a later model announced, but this, alongside our recent M113 from AFV Club, this is going to set the Vietnam era modelers into a frenzy. So we'll get some photos of these sprues up here for you, but again, from the guys from Gecko, the instructions, they're lovely, they're easy to read, they're easy to follow, they're crisp, they're clean, the part moulding is bang on. This will be an absolutely beautiful build. So we'll get some photos up here for you so you can see the sprues. This stock will be shipping from our warehouse shortly. So in the meantime, stay safe, take care, build kits, build lots more kits because I've got a warehouse full of them, and we look forward to talking to you soon. And until then, I'm Andrew from Hobbies Australia. Take care. Bye-bye.